traders. So on today's outlook, we're going to look at gold and also GBPUSD. So let's jump right into it.
So GBPUSD on the weekly time frame, we can currently see that price is at a major support level, right? On the daily time frame as well, we can also see this support level right here, right? So let's focus on the price action that is being printed at the support level. We can see that right here we had a reversal candlestick, right? Many of them. So we had hammer candlestick, we had a doji hammer, and then you can currently see this engulfing candlestick right here. Let's also focus on the structure right here. So focusing on the structure, we can see something like this. This is a descending channel, which is most likely to break to the upside, right? Or it can also be a falling wedge pattern. So we can currently see this impulsive movement and then the corrective nature of the market to the upside. We can possibly have a reversal to the upside. So let's focus on this one right here. If we go on the 4-hour time frame, let's also focus on the market structure on the 4-hour time frame. So we had a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, a lower low, lower high. Market broke this low to create a new low. So you can see right here that the market actually pulled back to break this high, right? So we had a change of character on the 4-hour time frame, which is indicating a change of the downtrend on the 4-hour time frame. We can also see a left shoulder head and then a right shoulder and then the break of the neckline right here. So on the 4-hour time frame, we actually have a shift of the downtrend. Currently price is on an uptrend. So if we go to the 1-hour time frame, we can see a bullish structure right here. So we have a higher high, a higher low, a new higher high, and a higher low. So price actually broke this structure, created a new higher high. So what we can do currently is to wait for a possible pullback to create a higher low and then get into this trade to the upside. So overall, we can actually focus on this level as our first target, right? This is a supply zone. We can expect the market to pull back to this zone or most likely break this zone, retest, and then we can actually look for longs, right, to this trend line, because you can see the market is actually respecting this trend line as well. These are resistance trend lines, so you can see whenever the market hit the trend line, there is a drop, hit the trend line, there is a drop. So in future, if the market approaches this trend line, we are waiting for a possible sell, but if not, then we will expect the market to actually shift to the upside. So let's take a look at gold. On the weekly time frame, we can currently see that price is at a major support level, right? So in the past, when price got here, there was a movement to the upside. This was a support that caused price to the upside. We had a movement to the upside right here. There was a reaction here as well. So currently, this is the price of gold. So we know that we are at a support level that is likely to push price to the upside. On the daily structure, this is also a downtrend, right? So we had a lower low, a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and price is currently here, right? So you can see that this low is not being taken out, right? Price has not created a new lower low. This is still the same low, right? So there is a potential that the market is going to create like a double bottom right here, right? So let's go on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, let's also focus on the structure right here. So we had a lower low, lower high. We broke this low to create a new low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So currently you can see price created same lows, right? We created same lows, and then these are current lower high. So price is most likely creating a double bottom right here. So when are we going to look for buy opportunity? So we are going to look for a buy opportunity once we have a change of character on this downtrend on the 4-hour time frame. That is going to be a break of this high right here, a pullback. This is where we can actually focus on taking the market to the upside, right? So this is going to confirm the break of the neckline of the double bottom, and then an entry right here will be a perfect time to actually get into gold. On gold, we are actually focusing on buying opportunities as compared to the selling opportunities, because price is clearly at a major support level, and at the support we are actually not expecting the market to actually go down. At support we are expecting a movement to the upside. We are only going to look for selling opportunities once this support is being broken, right? So we're going to wait for the break of this support level, a pullback, and this is where we actually going to enter for a selling trade, right? And it's also going to correlate with this pattern. You can see a double top pattern right here. So once this neckline is being broken, we go to the break, the retest, and this is where we're actually going to look for selling opportunities. But until then, we're actually going to look for buying opportunities because price is actually at the support level.